Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Hey everyone! Today we're putting the DJI Mini 5 Pro next to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, to see what's really changed and whether the upgrades are worth it. Design. Starting with design, both drones weigh under 250 grams, keeping them in the lightweight category. The Mini 5 Pro comes in at about 249.9 grams, while the Mini 4 Pro is just a hair lighter. Folded dimensions are similar, though the 5 Pro is slightly thicker in some axes. Operating temperature ranges are basically the same, minus 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius for both, meaning cold mornings and warm days won't mess with performance. Performance. Flight time sees a boost with the Mini 5 Pro, 36 minutes standard battery versus 34 minutes on the 4 Pro. If you go for the Plus extended battery, both can push up longer, but the Mini 5 Pro has the edge on max endurance. Flight speed is modestly better, and wind resistance improves slightly. Both support intelligent modes like Active Track, but the Mini 5 Pro adds refinements, new tracking options, better obstacle detection with forward LiDAR, and safety in low light thanks to improved sensors. Cameras. Camera upgrades are among the biggest changes. Mini 5 Pro now has a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 50 megapixels, while the Mini 4 Pro has a 1.3-inch sensor with 48 megapixels. There's also better ISO performance, especially for HDR and low light. For video, 5 Pro supports up to 4K 120 frames per second slow motion. The 4 Pro maxes out around 4K 100 frames per second. Field of view is slightly wider on the 5 Pro, aiding wider shots. Gimbal now rotates up to 225 degrees, which helps with vertical and creative framing in the new model. Battery. Battery type is similar. Both use DJI's intelligent flight batteries. The 5 Pro offers both standard and Plus versions. Charging times are disclosed more clearly for the 5 Pro. Approximately 69 minutes for a single standard battery via a 65-watt charger, faster via a two-way charging hub. The 4 Pro's charge times are less consistently published, so 5 Pro wins here in clarity. Both have removable batteries so you can carry spares. More. Storage is a big win on the 5 Pro. 42 gigabytes internal versus just 2 gigabytes on the 4 Pro. Both support MSD cards, remote control, GPS with multi-satellite systems, GPS, Galileo, Beidou, and sensors like gyroscope/IMU are present in both. But 5 Pro adds forward-facing LiDAR for obstacle detection, better night obstacle sensing, and some firmware-level enhancements in tracking and video transmission. O4 Plus. Show. Thanks for watching.